Hello, I'm Samantha Wilhelmy, currently living in Mount Airy, North Carolina. Mayberry, you know, from the Andy Griffith Show. I've been clogging for over 20 years, since I was 5 years old, so clogging has pretty much always been my life. Through local festivals, classes, workshops, and performance, clogging has truly impacted my character. My experiences performing, both stateside and abroad, as well as my time spent clogging professionally last year at the Hatfield-McCoy Show, have been absolutely irreplaceable. The community of clogging is truly one huge family. This dance is so versatile and lasts a lifetime. I invite you to get involved. Please celebrate with us the National Day of Clogging and the International Day of Clog Dancing. Clog on!